Hey, hey, hey. Hey, 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 man. On this channel here, y'all know what we do, man. We don't spread no lies, don't spread no BS, only something to help everybody out. I finally found a connection for controllers. All right, so if you watch one of my videos and your controller's fried, just like this here, you see that driver's fried there. All right, or if you got one, you do my video checks and you see that the controller is bad, I'm telling you this here, don't go online and buy the Amazon controllers. Talk with somebody that's been in the golf cart field as long as I have, 30 years. Talk to them and get it rebuilt. You're back to factory just like new. All you have to do is go to www.capservice.com or call 912-634-3534. Ask for Casey Myers and send it to him. Get it back within 5 to 7 business days. You can't fix it, but you can always send them to him if you think it's questionable, and he'll check it out and won't charge you no money. All right, but if you can rebuild your controller from $100 to $150 and it stays factory, you're better off. Now his name is Casey Meyer. Is at capsservices@gmail.com. All right. This is a business card here. Now, if you're in a hurry for your controller to get back to you because you got something to do with the family, what you want to do is track your controller when you ship it to him. Once he gets the controller, you call him at the numbers below, 912-634-3534. Tell him your name and the tracking number, and he will get your controller up and he will push it to the front of the line. Now, if everybody starts calling saying they need it to the next day and he's got everybody rushing to get it done, it might take longer. But call this guy here, man. He's a small businessman. It ain't a big corporation trying to shut down the little man. And on this channel, that's what we do, man. We look out for the little people like me. All right? Just trying to make some money, trying to survive. But trust me, man, do not buy an Amazon controller. Keep your original factory OEM controller. You will be better off. I've heard stories of people putting on 3 to 4 Amazon controllers. Every one showed a different symptom. It ended up costing them other parts that they didn't need, because there's nothing worse than getting a new part that you know is good, because then you start doubting yourself and you start replacing other components. So go to www.capsservice, CAPS service, SERVICE.com. Now, whenever you send them in, tell them the Golf Cart Whisperer sent you. All right. Make sure you say my name with it. That way he knows where it's coming from. And like I said, man, I'm not going to lead y'all wrong. Watch my videos. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. If you got any questions, 843-595-1611. For $45, we get your golf cart fixed, man, guaranteed. Stay tuned, man. Watch another video. Hey, hey, hey.